صدر ٹرمپ نے ایران جنگ کے اخراجات عرب ملکوں سے وصول کرنے کا ارادہ کر لیا۔ ترجمان وائٹ ہاؤس کیرولین لیوٹ نے ایک سوال کے جواب میں کہا کہ امریکی صدر عرب ممالک سے جنگ کا خرچہ ادا کرنے کے لیے بات کرنے کا ارادہ رکھتے ہیں۔ ترجمان وائٹ ہاؤس نے کہا کہ ایران کے ساتھ مذاکرات اچھے طریقے سے آگے بڑھ رہے ہیں۔ دعویٰ کیا کہ ایران عوامی سطح پر کچھ اور جبکہ پرائیویٹ بات چیت میں کوئی اور بات کرتا ہے۔
Back during the Persian Gulf War, 1990-1991, Arab countries paid for the vast majority of the cost of the war. Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, the UAE. Who's paying for the cost of this war? Will those Arab countries step up to do just that?
Well, I think it's something the president would be quite interested in calling them to do. I won't get ahead of him on that, but certainly it's an idea that I know that he has and something that I think you'll hear more from him on. The remaining elements of the regime become increasingly eager to end the destruction and come to the negotiating table while they still can. Despite all of the public posturing you hear from the regime and false reporting, talks are continuing and going well. What is said publicly is of course much different than what's being communicated to us privately. As a result, President Trump issued a 10-day pause to postpone planned strikes on Iranian power plants and energy infrastructure. This remains a truly once-in-a-generation opportunity for the regime to make a good deal with the United States. In the ongoing negotiations, of course, anything that they say to us privately will be tested, and we will ensure that they are being held accountable to their word. And if they are not, the president has laid out the military consequences that the Iranian regime will see if they don't hold true to the words that we are hearing privately behind the scenes. When the president says more reasonable, again, these folks are appearing more reasonable behind the scenes privately in these conversations. The mission will continue until the objectives are achieved, and that 4 to 6 week timeline does remain.